Hey there everyone, Aaron Salsbury here at 3X Logic. Today I'm going to be walking you through one of the more advanced features inside of our newly released VIGIL version 13 software, and that's an object classification search that runs off of our analytic cameras. Now, I've gone ahead and connected up to my server here, and of course I'm going to want to come down here under Analytics, expand this out, and then jump down to Objects and expand out that particular region. Let's say, for instance, I want to do a search for a particular object. We'll just double click on Search here. This opens up our search window, and of course we can pick our day, our time, even the drop down for the calendar if you want. And in this case, let's say for instance I want to jump it back to, I don't know, a few hours worth of a search here. Now you can pick and choose whatever camera that you want, but I'm going to leave all of these just simply set to any. I want to see everything that this thing has captured with all of our various video analytics across all of our cameras here. And sure enough, it's going to show me all of that here. What camera, the object classification, colors, start time, etc. All of that is listed right here. Now, if I did this search and I said, oh no, I was looking for someone perhaps wearing a green shirt walking through a particular door, well, I'd come over here and say, well, I know that's going to be on my lobby doorway. I'm going to come down here and say, well, what classification is it? Well, I see bag, bicycle, bus, car, etc., but I don't see shirt or pant color. Well, what you can do is actually come over here off to the right, and that's going to be under color type. I'm going to switch this over to torso. I'm going to say green shirt because that's what I was talking about before, and whatever dwell time that I want. How long did this particular person stay in this image? Well, if I have it set to 0, it just means they appeared in the scene for obviously a second or less. If you switch this up to, let's say, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute long, whatever it is, well, that person would have to remain in that scene for that long for it to give you a result. So if you're looking for somebody loitering, that's what that's for. Confidency level down here. This will actually change how confident the camera is in terms of what it is it's looking at. The default value here is 50%, but keep in mind these are based off of how good of lighting that particular camera has. And it'll also span the spectrum of colors. In this case, I'm looking for green. That's going to be everything all the way down from a light green all the way up through a dark olive drab green, teal, even turquoise. All of the greens are included inside of here. So I'll leave it set that way, of course, searching across just the lobby doorway. And sure enough, here's a person that had come through here with a green shirt. When you double click on this, it's going to search across all of your cameras, show you a couple glimpses of them, and then of course it'll take you right to that moment in time when it actually captured that particular person wearing, in this case, a green shirt. Sure enough, here's somebody coming through here. Go ahead and pause the video there for just a moment. Now let's say, for instance, I wanted an exception. I want to create an event when somebody in a green shirt, a blue shirt, a black pickup truck, whatever it may be, pulls into the scene. Well, that is part of our exceptions package that we have inside of this engine. Now, inside of here, I do have a few of these already set up, but if you want to create a new one, just come in here and hit Add. From here, you can give it a description. What are you calling this exception? What are you calling this event that happens? As well as all of your object classifications, your colors, even color filter method. If it's an or and an and statement, it's a black bag and a blue shirt, whatever the case may be. You even have the ability of modifying that dwell timer down here, as well as that confidency level, or even setting it up to where it'll only create an event during specific hours. So let's say, for instance, we had all this in here like I do here. I've got a few of these already pre-programmed in here, and I want to see these events. Well, if you double click on the Events tab over here, sure enough, this is where all of your events are going to be. Double click on them, takes you into playback, even multi-screen playback, all that wonderful stuff is inside of here, guys. But this is a quick little tutorial on how to run an event search inside of our new VIGIL version 13 software, guys. I sure hope you enjoy these videos, and please, if you like these, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and keep updated on all of the latest and greatest advancements we're adding inside of our VIGIL software. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.